Okay, let's see where every cat is in the house. Brittany's in the kitchen on the chair. Melody's in the kitchen on the dining room table. Kim's in the kitchen on the sideboard in front of the microwave. Fluffy's in the lounge on top of the cabinet, looking cute. Roxy's in the lounge on the chair. Cooper is here in the lounge on the other chair. Vanity's in the lounge. She came downstairs to see the other cats and now she wants to go back upstairs to join her baby. And Lucky's upstairs in the bedroom in the cat box.